Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 3008 SUV in the GT line specification. So this car comes with 18-inch alloy wheels, full LED headlights, there's a black roof. You also get front and rear parking sensors with 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got a half leather interior. The touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. But on top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and there's cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.5 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 130 horsepower. It's got the 8-speed automatic gearbox, done under 6,000 miles. And if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.